Hello everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One thing that drives car owners nuts? Unclear repair timelines. Not knowing when you'll get your car back is stressful. But at Arts, we provide precise schedules to keep you in control. Let me share a story about Omar, a delivery driver who came to us recently. His 2017 Hyundai Sonata had a damaged rear bumper from a fender bender. Omar was fed up with shops that gave him maybe next week answers, messing up his work schedule. We inspected his Sonata, gave him a clear repair timeline, and sent updates as we progressed. His car was ready right on time, looking perfect. Omar said Art's timeline was exact. I could plan my week with confidence. Our process is straightforward. We outline every step, set a reliable completion date, and keep you posted. From minor dings to major repairs, our Pomona team ensures your repair stays on schedule with quality results. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we make repairs predictable and hassle-free. Ready for a shop with clear timelines? Visit us or call for a free estimate today. Don't guess about repair times. Contact Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to schedule your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint. Timelines you can trust.